Say goodbye to seasonal threats for good with the power of essential oils. No more relying on those groggy, over-the-counter medications. Hi, I'm Candace, your scientist turned rancher. I'm all about healthy living and staying active, riding, roping, gardening, and homesteading on the ranch. If you want to learn more about how I stay so active in my 60s, register for my weekly workshop below. It's summer here on the ranch, and so begins that season of the itchy eyes and the runny nose, sneezing, coughing, and just kind of general respiratory symptoms. So they get a lot worse in July when we start cutting hay. Can you relate? Do you find yourself reaching for those over-the-counter meds? I used to, but then I found a better way. And here's a spoiler alert, it doesn't involve feeling like a zombie. You know, over-the-counter medications can turn you into a drowsy, dry-mouthed, blurry-eyed mess. Plus, driving or using machinery after taking these, not a good idea. Essential oils, on the other hand, are a total game changer. For seasonal issues, using lemon, peppermint, and lavender a few times throughout the day can be very effective, and you won't feel like you need a nap every hour. And the best part about using essential oils instead of those over-the-counter medications is essential oils have no side effects. Let's talk about why these oils are so effective. Lemon essential oil is packed with limonene. It's a chemical found in citrus fruit peels. And according to WebMD, limonene might be a jack of all trades. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and heart healthy. It's also great for reducing mucus, and bonus, it's a natural sticker residue remover. Lavender essential oil is like a superhero for your sinuses. It stops histamine in its tracks, and it tackles that runny nose, itchy eyes, and hives. Plus, it's fantastic for calming down after a long day or dealing with burns, cuts, sores, and bee stings. That is a multitasking powerhouse. Peppermint oil is your best friend when it comes to opening up your airways and reducing spasms in the respiratory tract. It's perfect for asthma, bronchitis, or those pesky seasonal issues. Plus, its cooling properties are great for hot flashes and fevers. Talk about refreshing. Warning, only use certified pure tested grade essential oils, because 80% of essential oils in stores and online are adulterated. But how do I use these oils exactly? Well, I like to repurpose an old essential oil bottle, and I just add equal amounts of lemon, peppermint, and lavender to fill this bottle. Then I can simply put 6 drops into a shot glass, fill it with water, and drink it down. And this is where you want to make sure you have those certified pure tested grade oils. This is very effective, and you can do this several times throughout the day. The way essential oils work is less, more often. So I usually do this in the morning, at noon, and then in the evening. And depending on your level of severity with these seasonal problems, you might have to do it more than that. Another way I love to use lavender is for itchy eyes. Now make sure you never put essential oils in your eye, in your ear, or up your nose. This lavender has already been diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so just put a little bit on your finger and just dab along your cheekbone if you are really having those severe itchy eyes and that's not going away. You can also take lavender and just put it right under your tongue. Just a couple of drops right under your tongue. That works really fast and really effectively. Now, the other way you can use it is take your blend and just put it in a diffuser and let it diffuse throughout your house during the day. It's very helpful. And another way to use lemon is to just take the bottle, tip it on your finger, and actually put that across the bridge of your nose. And that will really help with that runny nose. But beware, lemon essential oil, all the citrus oils are sun sensitive. So don't put it across the bridge of your nose and then go out into the garden or something. And finally, let's take our peppermint. You can take your peppermint. It's very cooling, so it's great in summer weather. And again, just tip it on your finger and dab it right underneath your nose and breathe that in, and that's going to really help support your airway and open those up. So those are just a few of the ways you can use these 3 essential oils to help with seasonal problems that come up in the spring, summer, and fall.
And guess what?
These essential oils are way cheaper than the over-the-counter medications. You know, I'm curious, what are your experiences with over-the-counter allergy medicines? Have you ever tried essential oils? Personally, the essential oils work wonders for me. How about you? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living. And remember to register for my weekly workshop if you want to learn more about staying active and healthy at any age. Until next time, take care and enjoy natural relief from seasonal allergies.